Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mokmik again. So for today, I think we have a major update on the daily time frames. Alright, so our resistance is kind of broken at the moment and we will see what plan we've got for you today. Okay, actually we need to start with the weekly time frame because it's a new week. And in the weekly time frame, we are still having the same demand zone here and a supply zone there, where the price is now using, the trading range between this, okay? And what about the support and resistance? Not quite clear at this time frame, okay? So we will drop down to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, what I told you from the starting of the video is that we have this swing, and this swing is now broken out. Okay, so the price broken out this resistance, and I would say that okay, so we have our demand zone here, and in the daily time frame we are having this thing, which is a very significant pattern that we could look for, and this is the QM buy, and the entry point would be around here. Although we have the pattern here, but it is a very large time frame, so you may need to manage your risks pretty good at this one because it's a very large one, a very large plan. Alright, so what's the price between these? So the price is around 1826 to 1816. So that's only the QM border is around 1,000 points. So you need to, manage your own risk here. But we will have a more precise and the minor plans in the hours time frame. Alright, so we will drop down to that. Let me draw the supply and the demand here in the daily time frame. We are having this supply zone and we have a new demand zone formed here. Okay, the only buying plan for the daily time frame would be this one because we don't have a higher lows at the moment, so this is going to be the reversal points for that to make a higher low on the daily time frame. Alright, so let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, we don't actually have a clear demand zone because this zone is pretty weak, but I would say that we have our supports here at 1844. But could that be a plan though? I would say no in this time frame because that's no zone that is significant for us to trade a buy. What about the selling plan? Since we are arrived at the supply zone, we would have our selling plan here. Okay, our selling plan is going to be between 1862 to 1867. Alright, and this is the selling plan for the classic divergence pattern. How to see that? So the price would make a higher high here while the RSI is making a lower high here. Okay, so this is the picture for selling. If you are looking for selling gold, please wait and check the RSI. Okay, that's very important. What about the buying plan? Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Maybe we have a buying plan for you. So in the 1-hour time frame, we have this demand zone, but I would say that this demand zone is really weak. Why is that? Because this zone has been formed by a very important report on the PMI, so it might not be a true demand. Okay, it might be only just the panic that's been going on in the market. So for buying, at this zone would be quite dangerous. I would say the most beautiful zone in the 1 hour time frame is this one. Although we have this zone as well, but this zone is weak too because it was used once here, so this zone is not fresh. If you would consider a buy at a very strong zone, it would be this one. Okay, so from around 1836 to 1835. Okay, so I'll add a little bit more up for you just for the spread. Okay, so this one is going to be the most strongest zone for you to place in order there. For this zone and this zone, it is very weak, so you will need a confirming signals here, but I don't have any for you guys, so I couldn't give a precise price at this zone. Alright, so this would be a rough plan for today. It is a very large trading range for now because when I drop down the time frames, we don't have a pattern to tell a precise entry point at the moment in the very near zone here. Okay, so that's done for today. I hope it's good and I hope you learned something new from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.